around here as we are being spared from the national deep freeze. KCAL News meteorologist Paul Deanno is back with your next weather forecast. Paul.
And we can say it's a national deep freeze because it extends all the way east to New York City and Philadelphia. It extends all the way west into the Pacific Northwest. Look at the wind chill in Portland, 15. That's cold for them. Doesn't include us, doesn't include Arizona, doesn't include Florida. Makes it all the way south to Houston, where at George Bush Intercontinental Airport, wind chill is 18. Look at Little Rock, Arkansas, 5, Dallas, 10, and of course, Des Moines, Iowa. They're voting today. 21 degrees below zero, Bismarck, 30 degrees below zero, making our 2 or 3 degrees cooler than average a whole lot more tolerable. At least I hope it does in comparison. Pasadena 66, downtown Los Angeles 65, 60 in Palmdale. Your high today, San Bernardino 67 degrees. Missing in a lot of the chatter about temperature, which was critically important last week. We had freeze watches, freeze warnings, frost advisories. We have had very little rainfall this month. We've had less than a quarter of an inch of rain so far this January. The average is an inch and a half more, and we now have a 3-inch rainfall deficit for the water year. Need to get some rain in the rain bucket. We likely will this weekend. Hazy sunshine in Long Beach. Air quality alert stays in effect. Low 60s just about everywhere, including Burbank 61, Santa Ana 63, Temecula 64 degrees. Orange County this afternoon, a mishmash of clouds. We'll have filtered sunshine at times, blue sky at times. If the clouds thicken up, it might just go mostly cloudy. Temperatures will stay pretty uniform in the mid-60s. Big blocking ridge of high pressure centered to our west. It's doing two things. It's keeping storms to our north, keeping all that super cold air to our east. So that ridge is doing its job, if you will, giving us some of the nicest weather in the country over the next couple days. But once it moves, things are going to change, and that's going to change coming up this weekend. Sunday is looking soggy. Today, we are looking at filtered sunshine this afternoon. Good dose of sunshine tomorrow as our next storm passes by to the north. Bay Area, Monterey gets rainfall. We do not. On Thursday, we'll likely have the warmest day so far this year. The first time we'll likely see widespread low 70s, including Van Nuys and Anaheim. Then that ridge moves, and that kind of deflector shield over us moves away, which means the next storm, the one after the Wednesday one, likely will get us in the form of rainfall moving in Saturday night and also impacting Sunday and perhaps even Monday of next week. So the next few days will be gorgeous, especially compared to what most of the country is dealing with. Thursday, we may hit 70 for the first time this year in Los Angeles. Then when we get to the weekend, it gets cloudier, gets cooler, and a good chance of rain on Sunday. That's your KCAL forecast. Amy, back to you.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.